This is Team Creovate and we are presenting to you our innovation, the Resonation Speaker. The specialty of our speaker is that we do not use traditional speaker cones. Instead, we use bone conduction technology where the vibration helps increase the volume based on the surface that the speaker is kept on. So we can test the product like this. We connect the speaker using Bluetooth technology and we need to charge the speaker using a Type A cable. The speaker, first of all, we keep it on cardboard here and as you can see, the volume changes according to the vibration generated from the different surfaces. The cardboard generated more because there was more vibration happening here than the hard surface, which was the table.